Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email.
Oh my goodness, everybody, I've just heard that there's a tornado here in Southwest Florida. And today we have the 3 trucks out today. The community said that they hired us here with our 3 trucks to go pick up these civilians. They are all gathered up at the ROBUX right now. Huge tornado coming soon. As you guys see, it's pretty dark over there. Storm is coming. We have our 3 trucks here to pick everybody up. So yeah, let's head over to the ROBUX. Everybody is currently over there right now, and we're gonna pick them up. Evacuate from Southwest here because it is very dangerous right now. Huge storm coming. News reporter just found out that there is a huge tornado coming, which is very dangerous. So the community hired us to all go pick up the civilians at the ROBUX, which we should probably hurry up and do. But yeah, they are all at the ROBUX right now. We have our trucks here to pick them up and evacuate here safely. And yeah, hopefully we can help everybody evacuate safely here. But here, everybody should hop on to the trucks. So yeah, we do have quite a lot of civilians out today, but everybody just needs to hop onto the trucks. Here, we'll wait for the 3rd truck. I don't know if we need it, but yeah. Let me announce here on the loudspeaker. All evacuate. I have no idea if I spelled that right. I'm pretty sure I spelled that wrong. I'm not sure, but oops. Whatever. So right now let's head over to I'm not sure where we should head. I don't know if we should stay in the town of Greenville or not. I mean Southwest Florida or not. We might need to evacuate over to Greenville to make sure that we are all 100% safe, because I'm not sure if it is safe here in Southwest Florida. So we might need to evacuate to Greenville, because I don't think it's safe here in Southwest Florida with all the storms coming later on today. We do have the tornado siren right now, which alerts us that there is a tornado coming soon. So right now I think we're gonna go get some gas first, and then we're gonna evacuate down to Greenville, because there's a huge tornado. Let me just announce it here. Once we park at the gas station here, I think we are going to announce to them that we are heading over to Greenville. But here we are, let's park here. Oops, my 10 out of 10 parking. Okay. Let me announce it here. It is unsafe here in Southwest Florida. We will be heading to Greenville for our safety. And yeah, I think we'll tell everybody to head onto the trucks again. Get on the trucks. Alright. Start driving here again. Everybody should get onto the trucks here. But yeah, everybody needs to get on the trucks fast. Oh my gosh, there's this guy that oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this guy is like, he's not getting on the trucks. Oh my goodness, no. No, this guy's stuck. Alright guys, we gotta go. My goodness. Okay, he got on. Alright, we gotta head to Greenville before it becomes unsafe here in Southwest Florida. Have everybody on the trucks, which is not so safe here. But at least the tornado's not here yet, and there's only some rain, but huge clouds here, guys. Tornado is coming. So I think we're gonna speed up pretty quickly here. Gotta get out of Southwest Florida as fast as possible before the tornado comes. We have to make sure that the civilians here are safe. Most of the town has already evacuated, but these people here have not yet because they were at work. So they have not evacuated yet. So this is the last group of people here that will evacuate. So yeah, we have to get to Greenville, and we are a couple minutes away from Greenville. So I will get back to you guys once we get to Greenville and evacuate and find a place to stay. Okay guys, we have just made it to Greenville here. Everybody is safe on the trucks. So in Greenville there is still the tornado following us, which is still very unsafe. Southwest Florida is probably like a huge mess there. Luckily we're in Greenville. It's like raining super hard here in Greenville still. So we got to evacuate over to the restaurant over here at the Bulks food market. There still is the tornado in Greenville a bit. We are a bit safer though. We do see the tornado still back there, pretty close up. So we got to still hide and shelter before something happens. So here we are. Let's turn in here. Gotta park. I gotta announce this quick. Oh my gosh. Gotta head in to the place here. A seat. Get some tacos. So tacos are still available if you guys want some. So we gotta grab some tacos here, guys. We are pretty hungry from all that driving. Tornado is still outside, guys. Horrible storm. Luckily we are all safe in Greenville right now. But yeah, the tornado is still coming, so we still gotta head down farther after we get a quick snack. So here we are eating our snack, guys. So there we go. After I finish our tacos here, we will start. After we finish eating. Tornado is still very close by, so we still got to skip the tornado because it is still coming even though we're in Greenville here. So we gotta still be safe, guys. Alright, I think we're good. Let's head over to the trucks now before the tornado gets close, guys. Oh my goodness, 10 out of 10 parking, guys. Alright, let's wait for everybody to hop on here. I'm not sure if anybody's still. Right, I think we have everybody. We just gotta wait for these two. The other trucks. Okay, let's go. Alright, everybody is in the trucks, guys. Hopefully we did not forget anybody. That would be horrible. So let's just keep heading down here before anything bad happens. That would be very bad. Let's just skip this light here. We are not stopping for a red light. There's a tornado coming. Alright, let's just head down before anything bad happens. We do not want to get hurt here. So, there are quite a lot of people here still in Greenville evacuating. Some people are evacuating because they still don't feel safe in Greenville, but I think we're good here. Let's just head down a little bit farther so we can be safe. But, yeah, let's head down to the school. Because I think that is, one of the safest areas for now. But, yeah, oh my gosh, did they crash? Okay, they didn't. That's good. Let's wait for them to come here. Alright, they have officially caught up. Right now, we are gonna head down to the school, which is back here. So we still have to wait a bit here. Where are we headed now? The school. Right, here we are at the school, guys. We are almost there, like a minute away. So we gotta turn over here. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness, they have crashed. This guy just rear-ended me. Oh, I almost hit the pole there. Alright, I think we're good though. Okay, I think we're gonna park right here. Oh my goodness. There we go. Everybody head in. Let me eat my taco. Alright, let's head into the school before anything happens. I think we're gonna head to the cafeteria. We're here at the Greenville High School. Where is the cafeteria? Is that library? English? History? Math? Where's the cafeteria? Oh my goodness, no. Oh my goodness. The gym. Oh, here's the cafeteria. Alright, everybody take seats. We gotta take seats, guys. I think we're safe for now. I think we have officially escaped the tornado there. That was actually very scary. Huge tornadoes coming down. It is tornado season, so we gotta stay safe here. We may be returning to Southwest Florida in a couple of weeks or so. I think we'll stay here for a week or until the storm calms down and everything is back and safe to return to Southwest Florida. That's probably when we will be returning. But for now, I think we're safe. And yeah, I think that will conclude this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love.